This is how it really looks like at the end. If you see, it's fluffy. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises Cruz, I'm a professional chef, and today's video we're gonna make one omelette. Just one omelette with just egg, made from plants, not chickens. If you've seen this brand or this kind of bottle in your store, at the market or whatever place, just buy it and try it. You're gonna love it. Also, what kind of ingredients I've used today is a little of oyster mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom, and simple with a little of bell pepper. Cilantro is optional and garlic is optional also. But you know, some of you love garlic, cilantro, fresh black pepper and sea salt. It's just simple. We're gonna make one simple omelette with a little of nut milk. You're gonna love it. I hope you stay until the end of this video. For sure you're gonna love it. Thank you for playing this video. It's plant-based masterpiece, and let's do it. I'm gonna saute a little bit my mushroom and bell pepper. A little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna cut it on julienne. Nice, looks good. I'm gonna add a little of oil and wait until it's hot. So I forget to tell you something. You can roast them or we can salt them. So once you see it's a little hot, it's time to add our bell pepper. Also my mushroom. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Oh my god, I love the texture of this oyster mushroom. So amigos, I'm gonna saute a little bit, a little of fresh. What? Oh my god. It happens sometimes, sorry. Yes, a little of fresh black pepper, also garlic, and sea salt. So, amigos, just wait a little bit or cook them a little bit. Sometimes kind of mushroom, there are a lot of water in there, so just I try to remove it a little bit, this kind of water that is in there. So, amigos, while my veggies are cooking, I won't use it right now. I'm gonna use something like 1/3 of cup. What you think about this small pan? 1/3 of cup or half cup? Just a little shake it in one bowl. Something like 1/3 of cup to half cup of just egg. A little bit of nut milk. Something like 1 table, just whisk it a little bit. And also pinch of salt. Also optional. The garlic. Amigos, I'm gonna chop a little bit of this cilantro. It's something like 2 teaspoons of cilantro. So mix all together. So, and right now it's time to make it. Oh my god, that looks perfect. Looks good. Look at this. So then I'm gonna put aside and heat my other saucepan. It's a small saucepan. Something like 1 teaspoon of butter. So amigos, once you see your saucepan is hot, yes, right now is that day. Just add your eggs. Amigos, this is very important. Just be careful, just cook on the low, something between the medium temperature. Shouldn't be too high, it shouldn't be too low, because otherwise it's gonna take you a long time. If it's too low, or if it's too high, it's gonna burn it, you're gonna burn it so quickly. Right now I'm trying to cook a little bit on the bottom. So amigos, this is important. When we are doing omelettes, try to use non-stick saucepan, because otherwise it's gonna be hard to bend them. If you see right now it's cooking slowly all the side, but it's going good. Everything is going good. Look at this. Wow. It's getting hard. It's getting a little bit hard. So it's almost cooked. On the middle, it's almost completely. Just I'm waiting a little bit extra on the top. And after that, I'm gonna add my greens. Just a little bit more, a little bit extra. So amigos, look at this. This is the right way. Look at this beautiful omelette. Right now it's time to bend it. Just be careful, Ulises, just be careful. Oh my god, just be careful. Actually, I'm gonna show you how to do it on the easy way. If for you it's hard to bend it, I found a easy way. This is the easy way. Put one spatula and put the other. Look at this beauty. Omelette. Ay, cabrón. It's hot. Watch this omelette, and this texture is so fluffy. Oh my god, I forget my cheese. It's time to add some cheese. The right time to add your cheese is when you're adding your greens. That's the best time to add your cheese. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard, but not impossible to add your cheese. Right now, like me, I can do this or on this way. This is basically different, extra, on optional. It's completely optional. I mean, I'm adding a little of extra flavor. Amigos, look at this texture. This is what I was talking. The texture of the omelette is so fluffy. Look at this texture. Have you seen this before? No, right? For sure, you haven't seen this before. Ta-dam! 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 Amigos, let's keep adding a little more of fresh greens. Of course, I love the spicy. Amigos, you can eat it with anything as the side. With anything. Right now I added a little bit of extra cilantro. Also, I can make it with a little of microgreens. Right here are my microgreens. Is this just one idea? This is how it really looks like at the end. So then, amigos, at the end of this dish, you can share with something else, with refried beans, with salad, with piece of bread, or just plain like me. Just I added a couple cherry tomatoes and a little of microgreens, a little of something spicy, chile serrano. All is optional, amigos. If you see, it's fluffy. If you see, it's golden brown. And if you really like, just why don't give me one thumb up. Also comment on the, or say something, or write me something down and tell me what would you like to see in the next video. Amigos, peace and love. Love to the omelette with just egg. Made from plants, not chickens.